10 must-have foods for detoxing. Your restaurant meal was too heavy? A little detox does not hurt to regain fitness and avoid gaining weight. So, to purge and detoxify your body, here are the top 10 unavoidable foods. 1. Water. So obvious that we sometimes forget about it. Water is, however, the first thing you should think about when you begin a detox cure. Whether you take it fresh and natural, in tea, herbal tea or even in soup, hydrate yourself to the maximum to purify your body. 2. Carrots. Packed with antioxidants, the carrot is a very practical and tasty vegetable for a little detox. It helps to drain the toxins contained in the kidneys, but is also rich in fiber, which promotes the proper functioning of the intestinal transit. 3. White rice. Very practical not to feel hungry. White rice has the advantage of not being difficult to digest, and it goes with many other detox foods, such as onions or fennel. With a simple fillet of olive oil and a pinch of salt, here is a delicious dish to savor during your detox cure. 4. Pineapples. This exotic fruit is particularly renowned for its virtues facilitating transit and digestion. After a somewhat heavy meal or some excess during the holidays, it is, therefore, a great choice to purge the body of its toxins. For a good digestion, choose pineapples. 5. Lemons. If there is a food that reigns over the kingdom of detox, it is the lemon. It allows, among other things, to deflate the digestive system after a well-watered evening, and its virtues to evacuate the remains of alcohol no longer need proving. With its great ability to eliminate toxins from the body, take a small lemon cure. 6. Avocados. The avocado is a well-known antioxidant that helps maintain your figure and eliminate toxins, especially those related to alcohol and cigarettes. It is also a choice for fluidizing the kidney system. 7. Natural yogurts. Attention, choose here a true organic yogurt, full of good probiotics to improve intestinal transit. If you have made some excesses recently, you can start the day with a good yogurt and a spoon of honey or a few pieces of fruit. Avoid lighter or industrial yogurts, which will have no detoxifying effect. 8. Black radishes. If the name does not necessarily make your mouth water, you should know that the black radish is a very popular food for detox cures. Its nutrients allow the liver to regenerate more quickly and to evacuate the toxins it contains. So, in salad, soup or juice, do not skimp on black radishes. 9. Onions. Rich in fiber, a specialist in evacuating the toxins contained by the body, stuffed with natural antiseptics, potassium and vitamins, the onion is a food which is better not to refuse. It is often used in diets to maintain your figure and allows you to purge your body quickly of all its impurities. 10. Apples. To reduce the absorption of fat after some excess and improve the intestinal transit, thanks to its richness of fiber, do not hesitate to crunch in a ripe apple. Be careful to eat it with the skin to enjoy all the nutrients it contains. Now you have a great list to perform a real detox cure while enjoying tasty food.